Understanding Eczema, your guide to healthier skin. Hey everyone, it's Arvinda. Dealing with skin issues can be a real pain, both literally and figuratively. Today we're diving deep into eczema, a chronic skin condition causing inflammation, intense itching, and dryness. Whether you've dealt with eczema your whole life or are just starting to experience its effects, this video is for you. We'll break down what causes eczema, how to recognize its symptoms, and most importantly, how to manage it effectively. Let's work together to understand this condition and find ways to reclaim our skin health. So what exactly is eczema? It's not just dry skin. It's a chronic condition that disrupts your skin's natural protective barrier. Our skin is like a shield, protecting us from the outside world. But with eczema, that shield weakens, leaving your skin vulnerable to inflammation and irritation. The most common type is atopic dermatitis, often showing up in childhood and running in families. Even without a family history, eczema can still appear unexpectedly. It's not contagious and not a sign of being unclean. While there's no one-size-fits-all cure, there are plenty of ways to manage it and keep flare-ups under control. Eczema is a bit of a mystery, but researchers have made some headway in understanding its triggers. Genetics plays a big role. If eczema runs in your family, you're more likely to experience it. Another culprit is your immune system, which can go haywire, mistaking harmless substances like pollen or pet dander as threats. This triggers an inflammatory response, leading to those red, itchy patches. Environmental factors like dry air, harsh soaps, and stress can also cause eczema to flare up. Understanding these triggers is key to managing your symptoms. Let's dive into how to recognize and manage these symptoms effectively. Now let's talk about how to recognize eczema. The signature itch is intense, making you want to scratch your skin off, even though you know you shouldn't. Along with itching, you'll notice red, inflamed patches of skin, commonly on the face, hands, elbows, and knees. The affected skin might become dry, scaly, and thickened. Constant scratching can lead to open sores, cracks, and infections. Eczema can look different on everyone, with symptoms ranging from mild to severe. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in managing the condition better. So, you've been diagnosed with eczema. What now? While there's no cure, there are many ways to manage your symptoms and live a happy, itch-free life. Moisturizing is crucial. Look for thick, fragrance-free creams and ointments, and apply them generously throughout the day. Keep showers short and avoid harsh soaps, opting for lukewarm water instead of hot. Identify and avoid your triggers, whether it's dust mites, pollen, certain foods, or stress. Knowing your triggers is key to managing your symptoms. Let's explore some lifestyle changes that can help. Identifying and diagnosing eczema early can prevent the condition from worsening and help in managing it effectively. Early intervention allows for better control of symptoms and reduces the risk of complications. A young child starts showing signs of eczema, such as dry red patches on their skin. The parents notice it early and take the child to a dermatologist. With proper diagnosis and treatment, they can manage the symptoms before they escalate, preventing the skin from becoming severely inflamed or infected. Living with eczema can take an emotional toll, especially for children and teenagers who may feel self-conscious about their appearance. It's important to address the psychological effects and provide support for those dealing with the condition. A teenager with eczema on her face and arms feels embarrassed at school and avoids social activities. Her parents and doctor work together to not only manage her skin condition but also provide emotional support and counseling to boost her confidence. While diet is not a primary cause of eczema, certain foods can trigger or worsen symptoms. Identifying and avoiding these foods can help manage the condition. A woman notices that her eczema flares up after eating dairy products or spicy foods. By keeping a food diary and working with a nutritionist, she identifies these triggers and adjusts her diet, leading to fewer flare-ups. Eczema can lead to cracked and open skin, making it more susceptible to infections. Preventing and treating infections is an essential part of eczema management. A man with severe eczema on his hands notices that the skin is cracked and starting to ooze. His doctor prescribes an antibiotic cream to prevent a bacterial infection and emphasizes the importance of keeping the area clean and covered to promote healing. Eczema is not a one-size-fits-all condition. There are different types such as contact dermatitis, dyshidrotic eczema, and nummular eczema. Understanding the type of eczema helps in tailoring treatment. A construction worker develops red, itchy patches on his hands after using a new brand of gloves. His doctor diagnoses it as contact dermatitis, a type of eczema caused by direct contact with an irritant. The treatment involves avoiding the irritant and using topical steroids to reduce inflammation. Eczema symptoms can worsen with changes in weather, especially during dry winters or humid summers. Being aware of these seasonal triggers can help in adjusting skincare routines accordingly. During the winter, a woman's eczema becomes more severe due to the dry air. She switches to a thicker moisturizer and uses a humidifier at home to keep the air moist, which helps in reducing flare-ups. Your skin is super sensitive to stress. When stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can trigger inflammation and worsen eczema symptoms. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or hobbies you enjoy. A calm mind often translates to calmer skin. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Quality sleep helps your skin repair and rejuvenate. Dealing with eczema can be frustrating, but your skin doesn't define you. You are strong, beautiful, and capable. Reach out to a dermatologist or allergist for personalized advice and a treatment plan. Knowledge is power. The more you understand about eczema, the more control you'll have over your condition. Stay informed, be proactive, and never give up on your journey to healthier skin. You've got this! That's it for today's video on understanding eczema. Managing eczema is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent with your skincare routine and identify your triggers. Seek professional help when needed. If you have concerns about your skin, reach out to a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more informative content, and share this information with anyone who might find it helpful. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of your amazing skin. You can support us on the given PayPal ID, JED7YZ6B8ANJ, so that we can provide you more good information.